It's Halloween. So I worked out with a bunch of friends of mine. Let me get the better. I worked out with a bunch of friends of mine. It's cool. We did like this half mile run, and we come back, and then we had to do this thing called wall balls. I'm not even going to explain it to you, but basically we did a bunch of runs and some exercises in between the runs. So it was pretty cool. We even had a situation where we actually had to, we had to hold like a pumpkin and actually get wrestled down. So it was pretty cool. But listen, let me give you some advice for Halloween. Be safe. This is a fun holiday. Whatever you believe, that's not the purpose of this podcast or YouTube to argue the merits of Halloween. I'm just saying, everyone, just be safe on Halloween. Make sure you check your candy. That's the doctor and daddy and me coming out. Check your candy. Don't overeat and have fun. And do something health related too. Here's my suggestion. It's okay to enjoy the holidays. It's okay to enjoy, the eat out and, enjoy the food. Just make sure you sorry, my kids are my kids are yelling and screaming. Just make sure that you I would do a workout earlier in the day, like I just did, kill it, do a Beachbody on demand workout or something else or whatever you want to do, and just have fun. Just have fun. And make sure, here's my rule for the holidays when it comes to Thanksgiving and Christmas. Cheat on that one meal. Don't cheat the entire day. If you know you're gonna have a good meal with family and friends, whether it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, or Halloween, eat a light breakfast, eat a light lunch, chill out on the snacks. When it comes to dinner time, just go to town. Just go to town, okay? And make sure you work out earlier in the day. Make sure your cheat day, I tell people, my rule is my cheat day is not my rest day, okay? Those of you who are looking at, I was the Hulk today. I was a Hulk. A bunch of us got together and worked out. I do CrossFit in addition to Beachbody, so I was the Hulk. I had the Hulk hands and everything, so it's pretty cool. Thank you for the love. All right? Peace out. Doc Beast Daily is coming back.